What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today I'm super excited because today's video is all about the Dream Urban Cover from Maybelline. I've been seeing this all over the internet and I really wanted to try it out. Hopefully I got a good shade because I got this at Ulta, and Ulta doesn't have like the samples, like the where you can try it out and stuff like Sephora. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this to our skin, see how we like it or see how we hate it. So if you want to see what I think about the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage foundation, then keep on watching. Okay, so I pretty much have my eyes done and stuff. I'm getting ready because I have to go pick up my husband from the airport, and I'm super excited because he's been gone for like a week and I can't leave without him. And I'm so excited to go pick him up because even though it's been a week, my heart is like, you know. And then being pregnant on top of that, I'm like, I need someone to go get me some food and get me, like, you know, attend to me. But anyways, to the face we go. So I still have this sample that I got from Sephora from the Tatcha the silk canvas. So we're gonna go ahead and prime our skin because I need to try to fill these creases and some of these pores and everything, because we don't want this stuff showing, even though normally my smile lines usually show through, which is annoying. Probably should just stop smiling in general. But anyways, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing great for the summer. I've been chilling, y'all. Like, if y'all thought I was born before, y'all, my life has like been like this because your girl has been either in the bed, wake up in the morning and go straight to the couch. Like that's my life right now for the time being. But whatever, I'm enjoying it, enjoying the pregnancy and stuff, at least trying to. But next product, we're using the No Problem Touch and Soul Prime Essence. Y'all, this stuff is so freaking good. I got this in my BoxyCharm. If you're interested in BoxyCharm, I'll link that down below. Might as well just put this on like this. This stuff is so good. It makes the skin feel so nice. If you're noticing my ears are a little bit red, I put a second earring in my second hole, and I haven't worn earrings in that hole in like years, but it's still open and it's irritated. I'm thinking about taking it off because that shit's irritating. But anyways, to the foundation we go. The shade I got is 220 and Natural Beige, and this says has SPF of 50, which, homegirl, that's a lot of SPF. Usually if you're wearing SPF like on a normal day, you want at least like 35 and up kind of range. Usually 50, like the number 50 for SPF, I would recommend for men to wear because men don't wear, you know, they don't cake their face on. So anyways, my esthetician stuff is coming out. But this says it's shield skin from urban elements, cover imperfections, even out skin tone. So it says it's full coverage, y'all. Let's see if it's full coverage. I don't really need full coverage. I mean, like, wanting it or anything like that. Okay, so this is such a weird component, but I took the top off and it's like a little squeezy thing. So hopefully I don't make a mess on my new shirt that I got at Ross Finds, hashtag Ross Finds. This shirt's so cute. Like, it's bright and it says don't trip. I told my husband, I was like, you probably need a shirt that says don't trip because I know I'd be tripping all the time. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze this onto my skin. I don't know how much I should use, so I am scared for my life. It smells like any regular other Maybelline foundation. I feel like their foundations all kind of smell the same. Getting my Beauty Blender, and we're gonna try this out. Yeah, I wanted to go, I think it was, the next shade was 228, and I was like, dang, I'm not that dark. I wish I was darker, but my ass hasn't been in the sun. So this looks like it has like a nice radiant finish on the skin. This is looking nice. I wouldn't say full coverage. I would say medium, and then you can build it to a full, because I still can see my freckles and everything. Yeah, I can still see my freckles in there, which I like. I like when my freckles show. Okay, so this is how my skin is looking. I just put that one layer on my skin. I feel like my skin looks nice, and like it has like a radiance to it, which I really love. I feel like for this foundation, for me personally, I probably wouldn't really like set it, because I mean normally I don't really set all my foundations anyways. I just like the way that looks. Now if you want like full coverage, girl, go ahead and set that with another powder and stuff. And but this looks really cute for, you know, for the daytime. So let's see how this acts with some concealer, using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion in the shade 2W. And I'm only gonna use a little bit, only where I have like these dips at in my eyes, which are so annoying. My dogs. Sorry if you can hear my dogs. They're over here like kind of playing around. So let's try this out. And this is like my favorite concealer that I have, because it's not drying and it doesn't cake on the skin. It's just good for my skin type, because I feel like under my eyes can get dry. So this is what it's looking like with concealer on top of this foundation. So far I think it looks really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go off the camera, finish, because my face looks flat, so we're gonna do some contour and stuff and add a lippy, and I'll be right back with my thoughts and feelings about this foundation. Okay y'all, so I am back, got the face finished. My thoughts, we're just gonna get straight into it, that I love how this foundation looks. So usually I'm more into buying like the high-end brand and stuff, and like just those pricier foundations to try out, but I really wanted to try this foundation out to see if I would like it. And it's been a hot minute since I bought a drugstore foundation. Like legit, it was $10 at Walmart, so that was great. I love how this looks. For me, it's like your skin but better, and it's making my skin look great, which is amazing. Especially to run errands and stuff. Super fast to put on, and it's not settling into my fine lines or anything, so I feel like this is super cute. My powder's laid nicely. The only powder I used was my bronzer shade, and then as well as my highlighter. And I feel like it looks really great. I don't feel nothing on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy, cakey, nothing. I will say that it is maybe a light to medium, well no, like kind of like a medium to full, because I could still see my freckles and stuff peeking through. So I figured if I did another layer, then it would be full coverage, which is great if you like doing full coverage. So I absolutely give this a big thumbs up because this foundation is cute, it's not expensive, and you can go to Walmart or try go to Rite Aid. You know, like they usually have their sales where like you buy one and like get 50% off of another, you know, Maybelline item. But yeah, I feel super cute. I feel like I'm glowing and stuff, and I'm ready to go pick up my husband. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on getting ready and stuff. And I actually recommend this product to you guys because this is bomb. Like this item is so bomb. So go to your Walmart, go to your Rite Aid, Walgreens, wherever, and go get the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover because it's bomb. Is bomb. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to me channel. I would greatly appreciate if you subscribed and leave a nice comment down below. Let's support each other. If you want me to follow your page and you follow mine, let's go ahead and support one another with makeup and all that fun stuff that we love. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.